Hey y'all, come on in. Today we're gonna make lentils. Very, very simple. One of my most favorite plant-based sources of protein. If you combine brown rice with it, it's even a better source of like complete protein. So lentils are legumes. Brown rice is a grain. When you combine them together, you get a complete protein. I like cooking them in the same pot sometimes because they take about the same amount of time to cook versus a navy bean or a black bean is going to take a lot longer to cook, so your rice would be mush if you mix them together. These are French lentils, just what I happen to have on hand. I'm out of my normal green lentils. I try to rotate through all the different grains and beans and legumes so that I'm getting the nutrients from each one. We're going to measure them. Who am I kidding? I never measure. I don't even know why I'm measuring one. Almost two. I do about equal parts rice to lentils. I'm smiling as if I actually measure stuff normally. So I always rinse my lentils off. I don't always rinse my rice, but there's two ways you can rinse your lentils. Just keep it in the pot, you've already measured it. Usually we'll rinse once or twice. Everything. People really like specifics, but I'm not a specifics person. Second option for rinsing your lentils is a mesh strainer. This is a fine mesh strainer. It's not like a colander, so it's not going to go through. For every cup of rice or lentils, it's going to be 2 cups of water or broth. The best seasoning for lentils, in my opinion, is just literally cumin and salt. So, cumin it is. Probably 2 tablespoons worth for the amount I was making. I'm gonna add a bay leaf in today just for kicks and giggles. Some salt, and then I have garlic that's already pre-chopped. This is gonna come to a boil and then bring it down to a simmer. Taste test. What do I say? I don't know. I love lentils and rice. It's like one of my staples, one of my go-tos. Like, oh, surprise, it's the same thing I've tasted for years now that I use lentils all the time. It's so versatile because you can add vegetables into this pot. You can be cooking vegetables on the side and then have this as your protein. I hope y'all enjoy.